Tired of takeout but short on time? You deserve to have a comforting homemade meal that you can enjoy even on your busiest nights. This video will show you how you can have chicken and dumplings in just under 40 minutes to serve yourself and your family. Say goodbye to lengthy cooking and say hello to instant deliciousness right on your table. To start off, go ahead and pressure cook your chicken breasts. You want to pressure cook them on high for about 10 to 15 minutes and do a 5-minute slow release of the pressurized steam. Now, we already did ours off of camera, so we're gonna go ahead and just shred our chicken. And you see how nice and easily that just shreds up? And skinless chicken breast works amazing in this dish, but you also can use dark meat like chicken thighs if you prefer that as well. Dark meat in chicken and dumplings is also very delicious as well. You just want to make sure that before shredding it, it's cooled a little bit because this stuff gets really hot. Just season your chicken and throw it in with your liquid of choice. I used chicken broth in our pressure cooker. And it's just really let the pressure cooker do the work with your chicken. If you're a little thicker, it may cook around the 12 to 15 minute mark. If it's thin, or if it's a little smaller, about 8 to 12 minutes. Now also, we're gonna go ahead and set this chicken aside after we have shredded it. Now also, you can use a pre-cooked rotisserie hen if you really wanna save even more time. That's also a great way to do it. We're gonna melt the butter and we're gonna be making us a roux for our base to our chicken and dumplings. Okay, so after the butter is melted, we're gonna go ahead and take our all-purpose flour. And you're just gonna whisk it in with the butter and make sure it's nice and smooth. And we're just gonna cook that. I'm just gonna make sure all the flour taste is out. We're gonna cook that for about a couple minutes, a minute or two. Okay, so after this is cooked, we're gonna slowly add our chicken broth. And this will help thicken because we like ours on a little more of a thicker, creamier side. Our chicken and dumplings. Okay, we're going to add some cream of chicken soup. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning to this, some pepper, onion powder. And if you want to add a little more salt, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to choose not to because I feel like the chicken soup has enough of that. We're going to add some sage and some poultry seasoning. And we're going to give this a good mix around, more so whisk around. We're going to go ahead and add some shredded chicken. Give that a good mix. And we're just going to take the shortcut way. We're going to make our dumpling dough with the canned biscuits. It's still just as good, although you can make your dumplings from scratch. But this is supposed to be a quicker recipe, so we're going to use the canned biscuits. You're just going to take your biscuit and just roll them out. Take a pizza cutter and just cut them into strips. And just like that. And just do this for each of your biscuits. And we're just going to place our biscuit dough in here into the pot. And we did leave some of the strips a little thicker and longer. And you see already some of them are cooking already. Just want to stir this around. Drop some more biscuit. And make sure you're stirring too, so that way your soup doesn't scorch. You don't want to have scorched soup. And the dumplings soak up some of the nice liquid. And we're just going to cover this now and let this steam a little bit to help the dough, or to help the dough to cook a little more. We're just going to simmer it on a little bit, like low, simmer it on low. And we're going to stir it occasionally for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, and after cooking for 10 minutes, here it is. Nice chicken and dumplings. Nice, creamy. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and put some in a bowl. It smells so good. It tastes good. I believe your family is really going to enjoy this. And it was all just under 45 minutes. All right, so if this video was at all helpful to you, click that like button and make sure you comment down below. Are you going to try this nice chicken and dumplings recipe? Also, don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.